The new entry-level crossover from Mazda, the 2026 CX-20, is an excellent example of how to reduce size without compromising on quality. Mazda chose to create a jewel after seeing the oversaturated, subcompact car market full of plasticky, cheap-feeling vehicles. The CX-30's upscale design and cutting-edge hybrid technology have transformed it into the CX-20, making it seem less like a budget car and more like a mobile boutique hotel. The CX-20 refines Mazda's Kodo Soul of Motion aesthetic for urban use. It's small, stylish, and remarkably powerful. Embedded within the fascia, the new black chrome mesh conceals the front grille, with its razor-thin, aggressive LED headlamps that resemble narrowed pupils. This compact SUV makes quite an impression when viewed from behind. The doors of the CX-20 showcase Mazda's renowned trademark S-curve, distinguishing it from its competitors with flat sides. As you drive, light traces the body, giving the impression that the car is alive even when it's parked. The CX-20 is the first vehicle in its class to come standard with a jet black floating roof, which stands out against new premium colors like zircon sand and the fabled soul red crystal. Mazda has chosen not to join the crowd of automakers that have mounted an iPad on the dashboard. Inside, the CX-20 is a haven of calm minimalism and sensual comfort. Stitched synthetic leather and real cork inlays adorn the dashboard, paying homage to Mazda's history of cork making. Like a high-end safe, the knobs that regulate the temperature click into place. To keep things simple, the 1025-inch center display is located on the dashboard and is controlled by a rotary knob, instead of a touchscreen, which may easily get dirty. To keep your gaze where it needs to be on the turns, a typical head-up display, HUD, broadcasts navigation and speed information straight onto the windshield. The CX-20's cabin is as silent as the Lexus UX thanks to Mazda's use of stronger glass and significant sound deadening. In the CX-20, Mazda debuted their innovative Skyactiv X hybrid powertrain, which combines the advantages of both electric and gas engines. The 2.0-liter, normally aspirated engine is paired with either a full hybrid system, culled from their collaboration, with Toyota, or a robust 48-volt, mild hybrid system, whichever is more appropriate for the specific market. It outpaces the Honda HR-V and the Toyota Corolla Cross by a wide margin thanks to its 190 horsepower. It mimics the handling of a sports, sedan better than any other subcompact SUV. With its weighty and responsive steering and G-vectoring control plus technology, this vehicle expertly controls the front end throughout turns. The part is severely deficient in its ability to cruise around turns with quickness and enjoyment. A little SUV with a colossal ego is the 2026 Mazda CX-20. Contrary to popular belief, this tiny crossover refuses to settle for subpar materials and uninspiring dynamics just because it's on sale.